Setting up your Wise account after signing up is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your setup and start using your account effectively. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Wise. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. Step 2. Provide personal information. Log into your Wise account and navigate to the Profile section. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. This information is necessary for compliance and to help with your transactions. Step 3. Set up security features. Go to the security settings of your account. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This step will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 4. Add payment methods. In the payment methods section, link your bank account or credit/debit card. This will allow you to fund your Wise account and make transfers. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details securely. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Take some time to explore the Wise dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features available, such as sending money, receiving payments, and checking exchange rates. Understanding the interface will help you use your account more effectively. Now that you've completed the setup process, you are ready to start using Wise for your financial transactions. Enjoy the benefits of your new account.